teacher Suzie and welcome to my class. So today we will discuss how to identify quadratic equation. Paano natin malalaman kung ang given equation ay quadratic or not. So let's define a quadratic equation first. A quadratic equation in one variable is an equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, which is the standard form. This is the standard form of a quadratic equation. So, kung mapapansin, itong equation na ito ay may isa lang variable which is x. Itong a, b, and c na po na iyan, they represent any number on a number line. So, a, b, and c are all real numbers. So, they can be any number on a number line. So, kahit na anong number pwedeng i-represent ng a, b, and c. So, ang variable lang po na makikita natin dito ay yung variable x. And we can say that it is a quadratic equation because yung highest power, yung power ng variable x natin ay 2 or in the second degree. Okay po? So, itong x na ito, wala tayong nakikitang exponent or power. Ibig sabihin, may power yan na 1. Okay? Hindi lang po natin sinusulat. So, itong equation na ito, ang pinakamataas na power ay 2. Or this is in the second degree. So, ibig sabihin, this is a quadratic equation. And, aside from that, in a quadratic equation, a should not be equal to 0. Why? Because if a is equal to 0, ito ay magiging 0. 0 times x squared or any number multiplied to 0 is 0. So, mawawala na tong term na to. Matitira na lang ito. So, ang power, ang degree ay 1. 1 na lang ang degree. So, hindi na siya quadratic, kundi linear equation. So, hindi ito pwedeng mawala itong term na to. Hindi pwedeng maging 0 ang a. Dahil mawawala yung degree of 2, hindi na siya magiging quadratic equation. Let's have an example. Let's say we have x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. Quadratic equation ba ito o hindi? Yes, this is a quadratic equation because the degree is 2. Ayan. Ang highest power ng ating variable, ang variable natin ay x at ang highest power is 2. Ang power nito ay 1 lang. Ito ay 2. So, ibig sabihin, this equation is of the second degree. So, quadratic equation po siya. At itong quadratic equation na ito ay nakasulat sa standard form. So, naunang nakasulat yung x squared. Identify natin yung a. Yung a is yung number na nasa kaliwa ng x squared. Wala tayong nakikita. So, ibig sabihin, automatic may 1 po siya dyan. So, a here is 1. And then b, ang b natin ay yung coefficient ng x, yung number sa kaliwa ng x, that is negative 2. Kukunin natin yung negative sign. So, b is negative 2. And c is the constant, yung number lang, walang katabing x. That is 4. Alright? So, this is a quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation is already written in standard form. Let's have another example. If we have 2x squared equals 4x plus 5, is this a quadratic equation? So, tignan natin, ano ba ang degree niya? So, ang highest exponent or power ng ating variable x ay 2. So, ibig sabihin, siya ay quadratic. So, this is a quadratic equation because the degree is 2. Okay? Ang highest power is 2. Let's identify A, B, and C. So, sa case na ito, hindi pa natin ma-identify ang A, B, and C dahil hindi siya nakasulat sa standard form. So, dapat yung ax squared, yung bx at ang c ay nasa kaliwang part ng equal sign. So, dahil nandito sila sa kaliwa, ililipat natin sila sa kanan. So, pag nilipat natin sila sa kanan, magbabago ang kanilang sign. So, ito ay magiging 2x squared kasi nandito na talaga siya. Okay? Hindi magbabago ang sign. So, si 4x, ililipat, tatalon, ng kabilang side ng equal sign. So, magiging minus 4x. Gayon din si 5. Tatawid din siya ng equal sign kasi lilipat siya dito. So, magbabago ng sign, minus 5. So, walang natira dito sa kanan ng equal sign. So, we will write 0. So, ito na po ang quadratic equation na naka-standard form. So, identify ang A, B, and C. So, A is coefficient ng x squared, that is 2. B is the coefficient of x. Ito po siya, negative 4. We will take the negative sign then. And C is the constant, walang kasamang x. That is negative 5. Okay po? So, this is example number 1. This is our example number 2. Let's have another example. If we have x plus 3 plus 5, lagay natin ito sa loob ng parenthesis, equals 0. Is this a quadratic equation? Tingnan natin. So, i-combine muna natin yung like terms. Yung 3 and 5 are like terms. So, this can be equal to x plus 3 plus 5, 8. Then copy equals 0. So, ano yung degree ng equation na to? May nakikita ba tayo na power of 2? Wala. 1 lang ang degree nitong x. So, ibig sabihin, this is not a quadratic equation. So, anong klaseng equation to ang may degree na 1? This is a linear equation. Okay? Let's have number 4. If we have x squared plus 10 equals 3x, is this a quadratic equation? Yes, this is a quadratic equation because the degree is 2. Ayan. Yung pinakamataas na power na nakikita natin is 2. Okay po? So, this is a quadratic equation. Isulat natin siya sa standard form. So, may 3x tayo na nasa kanang side ng equal sign. So, kailangan siyang ilipat dito sa kaliwa. So, tatawid ng equal sign, magbabago ang sign. Yung x squared at ang 10 hindi magbabago. So, this will become x squared. Tapos, followed ng bx. Tatawid. So, magiging minus 3x. Then, copy plus 10. Walang natira sa kanan ng equal sign kundi 0. Okay? Identify natin ang A, B, and C. A is yung coefficient ng x squared. Wala tayong nakikita. So, there is 1. B is coefficient ng x, negative 3. And C is the constant. That is 10. Alright? Another example. If we have 2 times the quantity of x plus 3 squared plus 5 equals 0. Quadratic equation ba to o hindi? Siyempre, titignan mo. Makikita mo agad yung power na 2. So, iisipin na quadratic equation. Pero, hindi naman yan sa itaas ng x yung power na yan, hindi ba? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan pa natin isolve muna ito, i-expand natin. Ibig sabihin ito, quantity of x plus 3 times another quantity of x plus 3. Okay po? So, isolve natin. Tapos ito, i-distribute pa natin. So, kung naalala yung special product, sana naalala yung special product. Ito ay magiging copy natin yung 2 times. This is square of binomial. Anong gagawin? Square yung first term. X times x. X squared. Para sa middle term, 2 times x times 3. So, 2 times x is 2x. 2x times 3 is 6x. And for the third term, square ng 3. 3 squared or 3 times 3 is 9. Copy yung plus 5 equals 0. So, hindi na po ba maalala? Sige, mag-long method tayo. So, ibig sabihin nito, i-multiply natin ang x times 3 ng 2 beses sa sarili niya. So, that means x plus 3 times x plus 3. Distribute natin yung x. X times x, x squared. X times 3, 3x. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. Combine like terms. So, copy x squared. 3x plus 3x is 6x. Tapos, copy C, 9. Diba pareho lang sila nito? So, yung tinuro natin kanina, special product, yung shortcut. Okay? Ayan na siya, oh. Ngayon, i-distribute natin si 2. 2 times x squared, that is 2x squared. 2 times 6, 12x. 2 times 9, 18. Okay po? And then, plus 5 equals 0. Combine like terms, itong 18 tsaka 5 pwede natin pagsamahin. So, this will become 2x squared plus 12x. 18 plus 5 is 23 equals 0. Ayan, nakaayos na po. Alamin natin, quadratic equation or not. Ano ang degree? Ang degree ay 2. Ibig sabihin, this is a quadratic equation. Identify A, B, and C. So, A is, ito po, 2. B is 12. And C is 23. Yung constant natin. So, that will be all for today. I hope that you learned from this lesson. So, see you again next time. Bye!